Friday, May 14th, 2021, and you're watching the Paper Call Report, brought to you by OfferVault, the largest affiliate offer directory in the universe. First, we have our top categories. For the sixth consecutive week, home services dominates the top categories list, taking the number one spot as they leave behind the remaining top categories. Legal remains in the second position, while insurance closes the gap between the second and third top categories. Personal insurance trails behind the leading top three categories, and financial services follows closely behind. Next, we have our top offers. Netfly remains in the number one position again this week, while Aragon Advertising continues to claim the second spot. Addiction marketing specialists hold strong in the third spot with their rehab campaign. Addiction calls came up to the fourth spot, and Palo found its way to the top 5 offers with its personal injury and motor vehicle accident campaign. For direct links to the OfferVault campaigns, verticals, and more, check out the Ringba blog for full details. A link will be available in the comments below. Next, we have our top networks. Hyper-target marketing dominates the top networks list yet again this week. LeadSmart follows a little more closely behind in the second position. Aragon Advertising is closing the gap between the second and third spot, while Market Call jumps up in the top networks list, claiming the fourth position. OfferGlobe follows closely behind in the fifth spot, and this week, all 5 top pay-per-call networks are Ringba customers. Again, we'd like to thank our friends over at OfferVault for providing us with up-to-the-minute market data and helping us analyze the latest changes in the pay-per-call industry. Now we have our pay-per-call trends. For more market insights, we turn to our industry expert, Matthew Zivkovic, CEO of 1-800-DENTIST. Matthew, how has Ringba's real-time bidding changed the way you buy calls?
Ringba has completely changed the way we buy calls at 1-800-DENTIST. A company like ours, we need to buy in specific markets. We're not truly a nationwide coverage. So we have some zip codes that are monetized better than others. And RTB allows us to get this data to our publishers so they can tap in and make more money themselves by targeting for these higher paying zip codes. And it's completely changed the way we consume buying calls now. And it's been a win-win for the publishers and for the networks, because we're aligning our efforts to make the most money together. To really target on real time the areas that we need calls, and if that changes on a day-to-day basis or an hour-to-hour basis, we can update our RTB settings, and that's automatically sent out to our publishers, and everything happens in real time. So it's incredible.
Thanks, Matthew. Now it's time for our pay-per-call opportunities. Total Home Protection, a top-rated home warranty company that received the 2021 Best in Service Award by Home Warranty Reviews, is looking for inbound sales calls. If you're interested in working with Total Home Protection, please reach out to your representative or sales@ringba.com for further details. Xanadu Marketing is looking for certified call buyers for the following verticals: homeowners insurance, home security, cable and internet, home warranty, credit repair, and auto insurance. If you're interested in working with Xanadu Marketing, please reach out to your representative or sales@ringba.com for further details. Now we have our pay-per-call careers. AxAd Capital is an industry-leading marketing company that provides a clear and accurate understanding of marketing ROI. They're hiring an affiliate manager, digital marketing manager, and media buyer. For more information, please reach out to contact@axadcapital.com. CallTrader is hiring an account manager with experience in the lead generation and pay-per-call industry. Work with top clients in the insurance industry with a generous salary and bonus structure. Remote applicants are okay. For more information, reach out to jobs@calltrader.com. Market Call is expanding, and they're looking to hire a business development manager and affiliate manager. Though the office is in Los Angeles, remote applicants are okay. For more information, reach out to jobs@marketcall.net. Thank you for watching this week's episode of the Paper Call Report. Be sure to tune in every Friday afternoon to stay on top of changes in the paper call industry. If you're a Ringba customer and would like to be featured on the show, please contact your representative for more information. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading paper call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of paper call, visit www.ringba.com.